Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to defragment drivers in Windows 11. Very simple. Come into your search option and search for defragment. You can see defragment and optimize drivers. If you click on that, then you'll get that your two drivers are looking okay. So how are you going to defragment this? Just simply come over into optimize, and then you can see that my drivers is going for defragment. And now what you need to do, if you want to optimize your this drive or this drive, how many drivers you have, if you want to select any of your drivers and then select optimize, it will automatically start at your optimization. And you can see it's it took very short time, so it's showing current status is okay. You can also turn on schedule optimization. Just simply click on change settings, and from here you can run on a schedule automatic recommendation frequency call. If you want to do it daily or weekly or monthly, you can select it as well, and then choose your drivers, which drive you want to check in. If you choose the drive, then simply click on OK, and it will automatically defragment your optimization into your drivers in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.